All right, so here we're going to unbox the Maono Cardiodynamic USB XLR microphone AU HD300T. You see what's around the box. In the back, you have a description, you have an introduction of the microphone itself, frequency response, polar patterns, and the features. So let's start opening this box. Start with the unboxing. All right, and this is what we have in here inside. Okay, we're happy, right? We have a user manual who covers basically everything on the microphone. We have XLR cable. We have little piece of metal. I think this is probably for the windscreen. We have the microphone itself, which is really heavy. It has a very heavy construction, all metal. I like it. Feels good. Then here we have part of the stand, the microphone stand. You see what we have over here. All right, we got the little mount, the shock mount for it. We do have the windscreen I was talking about. You have a base. Wow, this is a really heavy base. This is good stuff. And we have the cable to, if you want to use it as a USB microphone, and it's a USB-C to USB-A. Nothing else in this box. I don't believe so. Put the box to the side and start pretty much putting this together. Okay, so here we got the microphone, right? So in the instructions, you have this goes here, right? All right, so putting this together. If it cooperates with me, right? Here we go, the little base. And I believe this goes up. Here we go. And let's go with the little windscreen here, right? Put this to the side. And I believe the windscreen is used this way. So we'll leave that. Let's put out the microphone. All right, the mic. It has this for if you need to put it in an arm. So I guess this goes here. It's pretty easy to use, which is pretty cool. And you probably put the microphone in here, right? Okay, give it some twists in here. I promise it's an easy assemble. It's just me. I'm clunky today for some reason. One of them days that you can't put anything together. So this is one of them. Here we go. Make sure you straighten this up right here. It's easier to put. Okay, and the microphone goes right here, which is pretty cool. What I like about the microphone as well is that it has the volume, the on and off, and it has volume in here as well. So, this is a little shock mount for it, which works for me. And I have to see how this works. So here we go. I believe this part goes here. You gotta unscrew this real quick, put it here. And you prefer another windscreen, that's your choice. So you can do whatever you want. All right, I guess we put this right here. Probably, I know what this is for, so we can put the correct form in there, right? One here, and it's supposed to be like this, right? So we gotta turn it like this so it can go and give some little tightness in here, so it will actually work that way. All right, then we pass it through here. Okay, all right, and it gives you a nice little cover to talk to it. This is nice, actually. This is pretty nice, and I like that it has this little adjustable base. Then it provides you, this is how it's gonna look right in front of you, right? So let's try it out and see how this goes. What's going on, everybody? This is Dr. Elo, and today we are reviewing the Maono AU HD300T. This is the microphone I'm using right now. As you can tell, it is pretty cool. It's pretty nice. Actually, it has very good construction. And now we're gonna see how does it sound when you compare it to other microphones. Like, let's see here. It's gonna be a big comparison, but let's see how it sounds. I got the Shure MB7 over here, right? And this is the sound of the Maono. Once again, Shure MV7, Maono. But you gotta remember that this, the Shure, it's obviously $250. This microphone is pretty cheap. It's below $50, and I wasn't expecting this type of quality though. This is some good quality microphone. It has its own stand, its own windscreen, and everything. So it is, in my opinion, it is a really good mic. And I love Maono as a company. I've reviewed all their other products, and up to date, all their products have been pretty good with me. All right, so this is how it sounds with the Maonocaster Lite, which is the same company, Maono, as well. And let me try some of the effects. How do they work here? All right, this is how an MC will sound, which is pretty cool, huh? Then we'll start with the pitches.
All right, so this is how it sounds as a woman. Okay?
Supposedly how I'm supposed to sound, like a real man, you know, with that deep voice.
Then you have this little baby voice, and you know I'm always a baby.
This is how I would sound with a robot. This microphone is badass.
It sounds amazing. So I can use my voice and auto-tune it. That was horrible, by the way. But this one right here, this microphone sounds amazing. In any situation, it sounds amazing. And now you're listening to the Maono AU HD300T with the GoXLR. So this is a voice changer. You can do a lot of things with it. So
If I change my voice to this, I sound cuter. I know I sound cuter. But you can see that the microphone is performing pretty well.
and I can put all type of voices in here. It works perfect. It doesn't need phantom power. It's you can use for anything basically. Here in the GoXLR, and as a public service announcement, this microphone is pretty good. And you can put other stuff if you wanna sing with it and have fun. And if you want some voice that is really encapsulating, just go with your own voice. But this is an example of how does this microphone performs with the GoXLR. Okay, this is the Maono AU HD300T, and I'm using it as a USB interface right now, as a just plug and play, right? I put in this end of it right here, which is USB-C. I'll put my headphones on it. It has space for that as well. And I just plugged it into your computer, and it sounds pretty good for a USB mic. So you can use it as a USB. You can use it XLR with another interface like the one I'm using, which is Zoom. So this microphone is really good. It actually sounds really good. It's well built. And what I like about this mic as well is this little part over here, right? You can put the volume up, put the volume down in this area, or you can just turn it off. So it works really well, and I do recommend this microphone for anybody who's looking for a good microphone. This is a quality made microphone, and it sounds pretty good. All right, everybody, thank you very much for watching this video. And if you have any questions or comments, please put them down on the description. This is Dr. Ilo out.